By June 7, Tron is expected to rise 1.9% per digital coin price. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. Tron is now down 2% since yesterday and trades just under $0.3208. Here's what analysts are forecasting now. Digital coin price's estimate for June 7 is $0.3268, which means a price gain of around 1.9%. Crypto prediction sees potential for Tron to rise to $0.3244, an increase close to 1.1%. Traders Union notes the price could advance to $0.3224, marking an increase close to 0.5%. A different prediction from CoinCodex projects Tron might approach $0.3202, about 0.2% down. Finally, 30 rates sees a move to $0.3086 by tomorrow, a 3.8% dip. This one gives the best short-term opportunity. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. Forecasts are in. Time to check the projected figures. Looking at the forecast side by side, the projected movement in price is between a decline of 3.8% and a rise of 1.9%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that 30 rates expects the top return with 3.8% jump in value by June 7. As the data shows, you could collect between $2 and $38 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinCodex has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 73.4% chance of success. With all 5 forecasts combined, I formed a unified projection. Consensus analysis suggests Tron holding at about $0.3205. Now, let's zoom in on the numbers. The consensus outlook indicates a potential 0.1% decrease. From that angle, your capital could also grow by the same 0.1%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $1 under this forecast. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 74.4%. As we continue, let's check what analysts expect over the 3-day horizon. Digital coin price signals the price is following an ascending path. Crypto predictions points to further weakness. Similarly, Traders Union indicates that prices could dip further. The direction noted by CoinCodex is clearly upward. 30 rates expects Tron to fall. The consensus stance reflects a weaker picture, pointing to Tron trending lower. Bringing all perspectives together, 60% of analysts agree on a move to the downside for Tron. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. As a result, the daily candle closed at $0.3202. 3 out of 5 analysts were correct about the trend. Looking strictly at accuracy, Traders Union turned out most accurate. Time to take things apart for clarity. 3 forecasts fit within the daily range. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Traders Union topped the list. Here's a quick summary table, a clear snapshot of forecast performance. In the data, coin price forecast shows 65.6% forecast probability and 0.8% ROI. See if your guess matches what really played out on the chart. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Tron and other assets. Forecast comparison places Tron 5th, as Cardano stays at the top with 4%. At this stage, Tron is reviewed together with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already up on my website. And that's a wrap. If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps more than you think. Till next time.